Soriano and... Okay, Rockabili muna. Gusto niyo ba na Rockabili? Okay. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, tayo'y magkakaroon na. Isang babaeng di mapakali, kulit parang kitikite, maiwanan sa isang tabi. Last night, man. Pormahan di kayang labangan. Chay, I hope you'll be able to, score a copy, once it's out in the market. And I'd like to also thank personally this guy, Mike Brewer, for all the hard work, for the Mike productions, for everything, the posters, talagang labor of love, and he loved Pinoy rock since he
For
was a
Pinoy rock.
boy. Ay, talaga yung heart niya is for Filipino rock. This guy is full of talent talaga. Kaya watch out for his solo album. Okay.